Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Apple Airpods Pro in Pakistan. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here I have the Apple Airpods Pro. So here is the front of the box. You got that Airpods logo and this thing is like above from it. You can actually feel this Airpods. On the side you got your Apple logo. On the back it shows its charging case along with the AirPods, and here it says, if the camera can focus on it, AirPods Pro with wireless charging case, and that's all. So here on the bottom we got, here it's compatible with these following iOS devices. Anyways, here it's its model number and its serial number. So that's all on the outside of the box. So here we have this little pull tab. So we're just simply going to pull it, and that's the best thing about Apple, that you don't need your knives anymore to unbox the things. Anyways, let's open the box. So first of all, you're going to get your Designed by Apple in California paperwork. So let me just show you that first. First of all, we got our AirPods Pro booklet. So here it's going to show you how you can connect it and how you can charge it, etc. all these things. Here we got some other paperwork as well, and we don't get any Apple stickers with the AirPods Pro. So putting that aside, here we have the AirPods Pro themselves. So let me just open them, and here they are, as you can see. So you got your LED on the front where it's going to show its charging status. On the back you got this Designed by Apple in California, assembled in Windman, and here you got its notch. And on the bottom you also get your lightning cable as well. And guys, the AirPods Pro support wireless charging, so you can charge them wirelessly or with the lightning cable. So putting that aside, here we have something else in the box as well. So putting that over, first of all we're going to get our usual cable. So but in this time with the AirPods Pro, you're going to get a type C to a lightning cable and not a USB type A to lightning cable. So this is the difference in which the AirPods Pro, in which it comes with the cables, as you can see right here. And last but not least, we're going to get our additional earbuds as well. So here we got our small size and the large size, and the medium size will be pre-installed on your AirPods Pro. So if you want to change them, you can do so. So you might change them because they are not fitting in your ear, and you can find out which are the best earbuds by using the AirPods earbud test. I have made a video on that as well, so a box will appear up right here, and also that video link will be just below the like button, so you can check out that video as well. Anyways, here is my AirPod Pro, and here I'm going to first of all open my iPhone. I have made sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So connecting the AirPods with your iPhone is pretty simple. All you need to do is to open the box, and you're going to have this white light blinking, and here we got that animation on our iPhone as well, AirPods Pro. So we're going to press on connect. So that's the best thing about Apple, that their ecosystem is very friendly with each other. So here it's going to show you the tutorial. You can do so. So we got our noise cancellation as well as transparency mode. So here you can see that the AirPods charging is 43%, whereas the case charging is 52%. So that's all. So let me just pull them out as well. So here's the inside of the wireless charging case, and here are the AirPods Pro themselves, as you can see. So their stem is shorter than the AirPods, and their design is different completely from the last gen AirPods. Here we have our microphone and speaker, all that stuff, and here we have our IR detector to tell whether we have placed them in our ear or not. And here if I go and open the sound setting, if I long press on our mic, first of all I'm going to plug one of them on my ear and the other one as well. So you can see that currently I'm on transparency mode. I can be on noise cancellation as well, and I can off it, so there will be no transparency mode. So these are the features that come with the AirPod Pro. So the main reason why I bought the AirPods is because their noise cancellation feature is very well as far as the reviews on the internet is concerned, and here you're going to get that AirPods Pro logo as well. So I'm going to play some music, but obviously you cannot hear it because I can't place it in front of the mic, because the AirPods would automatically disable if they are not on your ear. So that's a little bad thing. But anyways guys, this was just unboxing video of the AirPods Pro. So that's all for this video. Again, you're going to get the transparency mode, the active noise cancellation mode, you're going to have your wireless charging case, and a better overall voice or audio sound quality with the AirPods Pro as compared to the simple AirPods. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and stay safe.